very exciting construction corner. Before I begin giving the tour, I want to wish all our families a Chag Sameach. I hope your Passover is going well, and here we go. Let's check it out. So as I mentioned in the first video, we are increasing the height of the doors leading into the Sun and Shine Family Sanctuary to take on the old Tree of Life frame doors that were on the front of the building. We've increased the height of these doors by just about 2.5 feet, so everyone should be able to enter comfortably into the sanctuary. Fresh concrete was poured earlier this week so we can regain some square feet where the monuments used to be, and we pulled in the scaffolding so when the Jerusalem stone comes for the new wall, we'll be all set to put that up. It's really starting to come in shape in here. So here we go. Let's take a walk and see the improvements. I'm talking to you from one of the security windows that we'll be able to welcome our members through. Let's take a walk. So when we talked last time, all of this concrete block was just being put up. We're really excited that this path is coming into shape. When you come to our campus, you'll be able to walk right down this path into the security entrance. Really happy we were able to save a number of the trees on campus. We were able to save these two as well as the beautiful California pepper tree out front. I'll show you a couple other rings where some new trees are going to be put in. The biggest improvement to the space here this last week was really putting in these large steel columns that'll be the supports for the trellis roof that'll cover the patio. So as I said previous, besides the trees we were able to save, we're going to be adding 2 new beautiful fruitless olive trees out front. You can see the surround for those trees have been dug. Again, the beautification of this space is one of our top priorities along with security, and it's slowly but surely coming together out here. Let's see a couple more things. We've got our electricians out here running the wire through conduits, so we'll be able to provide lighting and sound for all of our events that take place out here. So we showed you the entrance from the other side. You'll also be able to gain entrance to the campus from this side. Double door padded entrance for security as well. And you can see the cut line is starting to come together. It's really taking shape out here. As always, none of this could happen without all of you guys. Thanks all our members. Thanks our professional team. Chag Sameach. I hope your Passover is great. Look forward to talking to you again soon.